Today we'll be discussing the title Why Android is Simply Better Than iOS. I have iPhone right here and I have Android smartphone. So I have used both. The point number one on one Android is better than iPhone is in terms of side loading. Android allows you to install application from open source. But in iPhone, if it's not that there, App Store, you're not going anywhere. Except for those that are in EU locations. But the larger users of iPhones are not just based there. So it's not making any sense. For example, an app called F-Droid is available on Android smartphone, but in iPhone, you don't see that. Another advantage of Android smartphones over iPhones is in terms of privacy. Yes, Android is more private than iPhone because on Android smartphone, you can decide to install applications on your device without creating an account. But in iPhone, without creating an account, you cannot use any application on it. The next point, Android is not. The point number three, iPhone is not for the poor. Yeah, for you to get an iPhone, you must spend a lot of money. The recently released iPhones, none of them is less than $1,000. I know what that means. Sometimes that can be about 30% of someone's salary, monthly salary. So it's a high product. But Android is quite cheaper. They're affordable. You can even get an Android phone of less than $100. Yeah, less than $150, less than $200. So that is an advantage. That is an advantage an Android smartphone has over iPhones. That cost is very important and is scaring people away from that product. Variety is another advantage Android has. Yes, they have different types of Android smartphones. Do you want those with keyboards or those that fold or those that have earphone jack? Android has so many varieties that you can pick from. But for iPhone, it's just straight. This is what I have for you. If you don't want to take it, please go to another place. But you see varieties that Android have for us. In fact, I have two Android phones against one iPhone. So you see that variety, one is kind of expensive, the other one is cheaper. So and I bought so many for people. So the point is, you want to use phone? Don't worry, I will get that for you because Android is more affordable. Okay, and that's the same with the point I'm trying to deliver. Variety, okay, has variety of products, variety of kinds you can pick from. Customization is another advantage Android smartphones have over iPhone. You can customize an Android phone, the menu buttons to look quite different, as well as shortcuts. But in iPhone, you don't see such feature. Another one is freedom of files and folder organization. Yes, you can easily organize your files and folders on Android smartphone. But in iPhone, it's not like that. You have to obey the order. Just follow what we have for you. That is iPhone for you. The ease to share files with PC is another advantage Android has over iPhone. I can remember when I started using iPhone daily. I found it difficult to, share some files like documents, Excel, PowerPoint from my iPhone to my Windows 11 PC until I made some research. I was like, is this how this works? Okay, for you to share files, maybe documents and Excel and PowerPoint file from your iPhone to PC, You need to install a third-party app called iTunes. But for Android, just use the cable and connect it to the PC. Then click on this PC from File folder from File Explorer, and then get to the storage and then pick what you want to pick and then send to the PC. You see how easy it is. You can even use Bluetooth to send your file, okay, on your videos or your pictures. But in iPhone, it's not like that. In iPhone, you can connect your the phone with the PC, and then move only pictures and videos like that. But in terms of other files like documents, spreadsheet files, PowerPoint, slides, it's not like that, bro. You have to install that third party app. You see the advantage there. So is for so the ease to share file with your PC is there. Storage advantage is another thing that Android has over iPhone. And that's another reason why Android is simply better than iPhone. There is a space for micro SD card in Android. So if you want extra storage space, you can get the card slotted there to have more heavy files on your phone. But in iPhone, you must only use what they built into the smartphone. Don't go outside. They don't want you to bring anything in. So that is another advantage. With these few points of mine, I know I've made sense in this video. Yes, iPhone has good camera, but smartphones should be more than just camera. So let me hear what you have to say in the comment section on this topic. Do you think Android is simply better than iPhone, or do you have an opposing points or opposing points as well? So let me hear you. Thank you for taking your time to watch through this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology, some skills you need to know on tech, okay, and some tech informations. Also hit the like button for the video to go viral and leave a comment. Watch this video to learn more. See you next time.